Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop getting messages on your iPad. Okay, the way to do this is you're going to actually hop over to your iPhone to stop getting the messages on your iPad. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once you're on your iPhone, you need to hop over to your settings icon and then tap that. And then once you are in settings, like I am here, you're going to want to take and scroll all the way down to where it says apps. You're going to tap on that, and then you're going to go over to, well, you can actually type it up at the top here. Just type in messages right there, down to where it says text message forwarding right there. And I got it on 2 devices. So you'll tap on that. And as you notice, I have the iPad selected at the very top. So to stop it, just toggle that off. Okay, the next step is you need to hop over to your iPad next and then go to settings on your iPad. Once you're in settings on iPad, you need to go up to that right there where your name is and tap on that. The Apple iCloud information, which is over here to the right. Tap on iCloud. Right there, that button there that says messages, you're going to need to tap on that. And then right there, messages in iCloud, you'll need to toggle that off. Okay, and then once you toggle that off, your messages will no longer be going to your iPad.